First, what is a differential? Differential is a fundamental concept in calculus that deals with finding the rate at which a quantity changes. In simple terms, differential gives the derivative of a function. A derivative measure, first, how far something is changing at a particular point. Second, to the slope of a curve at any point. And third, instantaneous rate of change. Example, if y equal x to y equal x squared to y equal x2, then the derivative dy dx is equal to x, flat dy dx equal to x dy dx equal to x. Alright. This is explanation for question 2. What are the techniques of differentiation in calculus? In techniques of differentiation in calculus, we have 6 techniques in differentiation. We have a power rules, product rules, continuous rules, chain rules, implicit differentiation, logarithmic differentiation, and differentiation of trigonometrics in exponential and logarithmic function. Alright, that's all.
For this question, we're going to use product rule. First, we're going to differentiate u and v. U prime will be 4x and v prime will be exponent sine 3x times exponent cos 3x times 3. Then expand it and put it into the formula and we will get 6x squared cos exponent sine 3x plus 4x exponent sine 3x. Then we will factorize exponent sine 3x, and that's the final answer. For this question, we will use quotient rule. U prime will be 6x and v prime will be cos x. Then put it into the formula and expand it, and that's the final answer.
Hi, my name is Aina and I got question 3. The equation is x squared exponent 4x plus y minus sine square 3x minus ln y square equal to 0. First, we need to split this equation into 3 parts. We want to find dy per dx for each part separately. For the first expression, we use the product rule. So, let u x squared and v exponent 4x plus y. Then, we substitute them into the product rule formula. For the second expression, we expand it as usual. As we know, for derivative of standard function, cos become negative sign and sine become cos. So we convert sine to cos. After that, we multiply 3 by 2 to get 6, and then copy the remaining terms. For the third expression, we treat y squared as u to use the formula for du per dy. We expand it to get 2y y prime. Then we differentiate it as usual. Next, we combine all the answer into one equation. Then we bring the 2x to the front. Also bring the x squared to the front. After that, we expand the terms at the back. We move all the terms that contain y prime to the left side. And the remaining terms to the right side. Then we factor out the y prime from the both expression on the left. Finally, we bring the factor expression to the right side as a division. And here is the final answer.
Okay, I will show you how to solve this question. First, you need to change the number into the x, so you can solve it easily. So cube square root x plus 1 per square root x. Then we change the square root into the power. So cube square root x will be x 1 per 3 plus 1 per square root x will be x 1 per 2. Then we want to make this to the top. So will be x negative 1 per 2. Then we differentiate this one. We make the power go to the front, so it will be 1 per 3x. Then the power will be minus 1, so it will be negative 2 per 3. Then same like this power go to the front of the x, negative 1 per 2x. Then the power minus 1, negative 3 per 2. This will be the answer for differentiation. Then we put the information into this formula. We find the XO. First, our x is 63.99. So find the integer number. So I take 64. Then find this one. The formula is x minus XO. We got 63.99 minus 64. We got negative 0.01. Then put information into the formula. We cube square root 64 plus 1 per square root 64 plus the differentiation 1 per 3 dx is 64 negative 2 per 3 negative 1 per 2 64 negative 3 per 2. Then we want to change this number so it can be a single number. We like this plus 1 per 64 plus 1 per 3. So the bottom will be the square root, the top will be the power. So 64 cube square root negative 2 is the power. Same go on here. The bottom will be the power, the square root. So 64 square root, the top will be the power. Negative 0.01. Okay. Then we solve all of this. We got here we got 4 plus 1 per 8 plus 1 per 3. This inside this will be 4 negative 2 1 per 2 8 negative 3. Let's copy that. Okay, then solve this two first. We got 33 per 8. Then we solve both of this. We got here 0.02083 minus 0.000976. Then copy that. Then we solve these two. We got 0.019854. Copy. Then put it on the calculator. The answer will be 4.125. This is the final answer.